Hello, my name is Blanca Gómez. I write and illustrate books for kids, and I'm here to talk about a very special one for me, House. This is a special book not only because it was the first book I wrote, but because it's about my abuela. Abuela means grandma in Spanish, and this book is about her. When I was a kid, I used to spend a lot of time with her, and I have so many memories of her. One of these memories is about that day that we found an injured bird in the streets and we took it home to take care of it. And this book is about this. It is about my grandma taking care of the bird, but also taking care of me, and especially teaching me so many important things. It's a book about being a good human, basically. I'm going to read it with you, and I hope you like it. Thanks. House, Blanca Gómez. This is my abuela. This is me when I was a kid. And this is our little bird. Oops. On a snowy day, my abuela and I found an injured bird. We brought it home and abuela took care of it. This was my abuela's cat. Its name was Cat. Here I am, looking at the poor bird with its broken leg. While the bird was getting better, my abuela would open its cage so it could fly around the living room. Can you see the bird flying? It was fantastic. But everything was always fantastic at abuela's house. It was, indeed. When the bird was all better, my abuela released it from the cage. You are good now, little bird. You have to fly free. It's so important. Letting go. The bird started flying over the city rooftops until it got lost in the clouds. Bye bye. Bye bye, see you. Snow melted into spring. Can you see what is my abuela doing? Could it be a birdhouse? Let's see. My abuela was watering the plants when she saw it coming. It seems we have a special guest, she said. Can you see the guest? Abuela, can we keep it? No, darling, the bird doesn't belong to us. But I wanted to keep it. But it can visit anytime. Oh, my abuela made a bird house for the bird to visit us. The end. Thank you so much. Bye.